visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So, kung kailan niyo po ito napanood, the message is meant to find you, no? So, let's check kung ano po ang nangyayari sa paligid. The Page of Wands and the Eight of Swords. So, meron ditong taong hindi nagpapakita. Kumbaga, patagal mo na rin hindi nakikita. Or probably ikaw itong hindi nagpapakita sa taong ito, no? You can switch the roles, ha? What I am reading is the dynamic naman. Pero kahit hindi nagpapakita or parang nakablock, no? Meron pa rin siyang access to see what's happening sa social media account mo or updates, no, sa mga buhay mo. Paano magkakaroon ng access itong taong ito na nakablock? It may be coming through a friend, no, or social media ng friend, kapatid, kamag-anak, no, magulang, checking on your information. Parang meron din ditong, it can be that this person is using a dummy account. So parang meron din siyang mga dummy account na ginagawa, no, para maka-sneak sa iyong information. So meron na kayong separation nitong person na ito. The separation can be physical or energetic, no? Physical, the person may be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Yung ganyan. Energetic separation, pwedeng yun nga nakablock kahit nagkakatanawan pa kayo. With the Two of Wands. So parang gusto nitong either magpakita sa'yo, very, very soon. Meron tayong mga bagay na napapansin. I think that probably you like, mahilig kayong kumain dito sa mga, yung mga buffet, no? Nakakita tayo dun, or it could also be a jewelry store, or a gadget store. Yung maramihan, I feel like nandoon, no, somewhat ikaw or siya nagtatrabaho or mahilig kayo sa mga ganong places. With the Devil card and the Two of Swords. So, ang napag-separate dito or nagkaroon ng separation because of too much luho yata, or baka hindi niya kinakaya, no, yung lifestyle mo, no? Parang gumawa na lang din yata ito ng reason kasi nahihirapan siya to sustain. Baka feeling niya you are a high maintenance as well. Pwede rin itong mga makeups, no? With a Page of Cups. So, at saka meron ditong selos, no? I feel like medyo, sabihin natin, you started as friends nitong person na ito. At that moment, parang dalawa yata sila. Hindi naman na jowa mo, no? Dalawa sila in a way na parang nagkakagusto sa'yo, pero sila lang yung may alam. Parang later mo na lang nalaman nung naging kayo na. Tapos parang nagkaroon ng kompetensya sa kanilang dalawa and siya yung pinili mo. So it's the Four of Wands. I feel like nandito pa rin sa isip nitong taong ito yung i-diretso pa din yung mga pangako niya. Kasi meron yata kayong plan in the future to go somewhere. Either to go out of town or go to a certain place to have fun. It may be a vacation, it may be hanging out or what have you. Or this person is looking forward to that. Kasi baka this person is also hoping, no, na kasama ka sa sinasabing outing na iyon. With the Seven of Pentacles, I feel like I'm not sure bakit meron dito kung nakikitang mga shopping bags, no? With the Seven of Pentacles, chances are ito mga friends niya or friends mo, parang meron silang alam. I think that this person is conniving with some of the people that you may know para mangyari itong pagkikita ninyo. So, boto sa kanya, no? Yung ibang kaibigan mo. Parang tinutulungan nga, or probably ikaw, yung nanghihingi. Again, you may switch the energies. Ikaw nanghihingi ng tulong doon sa mga kaibigan niya para magkaroon ng reconciliation or at least pagkikita. With the Five of Wands, nakikita kasi din natin dito, it may be an LGBTQIA+ na relationship. The Five of Wands, hindi ka pa yata ganun ka-ready. Parang na-stress ka dito sa inyong separation. The Five of Wands is clarified by the Ten of Swords and the Nine of Swords. Hindi ka pa ready, no, na makita siya because of siguro hindi mo inaasahan itong biglaang separation. But then again, nandyan siya nangyari with the Nine of Wands. So nakikita natin dito na siguro itong person ito maraming pinaplan to how to see you, how to have a reconciliation with you, no? The King of Swords, parang sinasabi niya din na meron siyang mga growth, no? Meron siyang learnings, maturity is here. Parang yung focus niya nandito na sa relation na ito with the Sun. So nakikitaan din natin itong person na sabihin nating para sa kanya hindi pa tapos itong relationship na ito. Meron pang mga susunod na at least sa kanya magkaroon kayo ng reconciliation. I feel like hindi matatapos ang summer, no? Para mabuo niya itong mga plan niya to have a reconciliation with you. So this is your reading. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or placement ng kanilang chart. So, kung hindi lumabas yung kanilang zodiac sign, it can be a placement ng kanilang chart. Siyempre, reading mo to, ganun din. Pag hindi lumabas ang zodiac sign mo, it can be a placement in your chart. Pero bago yan, kung kayo'y nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Ayan, kung gusto niyo po kung magtanong, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign. I'm seeing Pisces, Leo, Sagittarius, Libra, Aries, Capricorn, Taurus, Aquarius, Aries, Gemini is here. Yeah, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the